Hey everybody, may I suggest you go down to Walmart? It looks like they're putting out their knockout roses on sale. Um, Honestly, I don't know if I really like knockout roses for the current prices that they're going for, but on a sale, I don't think you can resist. So far I've got four in this in my cart. They are originally 1984, and currently they're selling it for $4.96, so $5. Yeah, they are a little bit, um, they've been in the store for too long. They need to get into the ground, you can see, but you can always prune back, and they still look really healthy. So for how big our property is, I just think that this will add a really great statement, and for the price, you definitely can't beat it. The only issue I've got now is trying to figure out which one out of all of them. Trying to find the healthy one, but then look at this. Look at this really dainty drift rose. But I'm not sure if I really want drift rose on our property just because it's so big. I feel like they're gonna get lost. And even with this one over here, they have this red drift one that I thought was really cool looking. But they're so small, I feel like they're gonna get lost in the property. So I think I'm gonna stick with the double knockout. I have two different varieties in here. This is the double pink knockout, and then this one just says a double knockout, but you can see the color variation differs. One is more hot pink than the other one. The other one is slightly lighter pink. So I think those two combination would be great. But yeah, do head out to your Walmart, at least the Walmart that is only like 12 miles from us. Can't beat it for that price. They do have some smaller ones. Here's our smaller one that are $12.84. They're selling it for $3.21, but definitely the bigger saving is the $19.84 because you save $14, whereas this one you're only saving $9. But either way, definitely a great deal. So head to your Walmart. I hope you guys are having a great day. Good luck on your gardening. Have fun. Be healthy. Be safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.